we have a show coming up where we're using our InMove robot to be controlled by the Apple Vision Pro. So we do lots of live events where we use the Apple Vision Pro to do clever stuff, spatial computing, controlling robots, whatever. Anyway, we've got one coming up where we were using the robot, and in the last show we had some issues with the head movement. And so we work remotely kind of 80% of the time, and the team members required to have a meeting around what are the changes needed to the robot were all remote that day. So we weren't in the office like we have been other times. So we used the Spatial Experiences app that we are developing to hold a session to discuss it. It's the first time we've used it like this. And I'm telling you, it's game changing. When these Apple devices become more affordable and more people can use them, it's going to change the way we work remotely. Watch this.
Okay, so if you see this model, it's slightly different to what we've got. The model has speakers in the ears, right?
Yeah, in here.
However, our model has a speaker under the mouth. So it's kind of, if you look through the mouth in here, there's this gap here, that is where our speaker is, which means the weight distribution is slightly different. It's more at the front, which means that the piston here has more force.
Right.
To pushing down on it. So that's why I had to update the mechanism a bit, put a better servo in there, get rid of the digital one which has continuous rotation to something that locks, so it kind of doesn't slump so much. So it's that movement's a lot better now, and the neck rotation's a bit better as well. I'm not happy with the side to side movement just because the pistons seem to squeal a bit, but it is what it is.
Yeah. And Dave, in terms of the model in here, are you able to fix, because can we get an update to this model if it's not quite what Simon's got, and fix these fingers?
Yeah, totally. I think there's a few transformations wrong with those things. They've been rotated and scaled by the looks of things. I think also there's more bits we can have, so we can have like actual servos showing. And I think you said the back panel was missing, so yeah, we can update that, put that in. Yeah,
that'd be good. Because then ultimately, kind of stretch goal here is we create this a true digital twin where it's articulated using alongside the real robot that you've got while using the Apple Pro headset. This one articulates in the Apple Pro headset. I know that's a lot of work, but that would be where we should get to.
That'd be epic.
Fantastic, yeah.
I mean, that's kind of epic, right? Isn't it? Look, get in touch if you want to have a go on that. You want to see it for yourself. If you're in the UK, we'll happy to come and give you a demo. If you're remote, if you're not in the UK, we can. I'm sure we can sort something out remotely. Brilliant. Thank you for your time.